President Donald Trump has signed an executive order aimed at boosting American drone dominance by accelerating the development of electric vertical takeoff and landing (EVTOL) technology. The policy seeks to combat unfair foreign competition, which the White House believes poses a national security risk. The executive order establishes a pilot program to hasten the adoption of EVTOL technology and allows for increased testing of beyond visual line of sight drone operations. As a result, the concept of the low-altitude economy is taking hold. Morgan Stanley estimates it could eventually surpass the size of today's automotive market. Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has also highlighted the importance of developing a homegrown low-altitude economy in the U.S. While the pilot program may speed up regulatory approvals and operational testing, companies in the sector will still likely face challenges in scaling production and securing airspace approvals. Some notable developments in the sector include Joby Aviation's partnership with Abdul Latif Jameel to distribute EVTOL aircraft in Saudi Arabia, and Blade Air Mobility's collaboration with Skyports to expand helicopter and EVTOL transfer services in New York City. Then, recently Archer Aviation's Midnight Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing (EVTOL) aircraft completed its first piloted conventional takeoff and landing (CTOL) flight, marking a significant milestone in its development. The CTOL flight, which took off from a runway in California, demonstrated the aircraft's ability to accelerate and lift off with precision control systems and rugged landing gear, reaching a top speed of 125 miles per hour and an altitude of over 1,500 feet above ground level. Although the CTOL milestone doesn't accelerate the delivery timeline, it validates technical progress and brings Archer closer to achieving type certification from the FAA and XTIA, which it aims to achieve in late 2025. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.